Oh, look at that. Oh, the hail's getting bigger. Oh, look at those things. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna stay here. Wow. Okay, this is the best you're gonna get. I don't think I'm at the exact summit. I'm at... Here we are again after something like a 5 to 6 week hiatus. I got my knee wrapped up, so it should be better. You might find this place familiar. We're doing a different thing here. So this is Black Mountain. We're hitting the top of that thing from here, which we have not done. We have attempted a couple of times, but we're really not sure exactly the path there. So we'll be blazing. But I don't know if you can see right here on this hill, the wind is making a little river pattern in all the grass. It's actually really neat. Okay, so instead of taking the switchback, I'm scouting this trail in here. You know, I don't really... Nothing is really telling me that this trail takes us up the mountain. But it is super interesting. And checking the map, there's a creek up ahead. Now if we follow the creek up, that should put us in behind Black Mountain. And I am, this is kind of nasty, I am 100% sure that if this follows the creek up and behind the mountain, that it'll take us to one of the side roads that connect with the peak altogether. So I'm probably within 25 to 50 meters of the intersection that I want. And by intersection, I simply mean a creek crossing area. Here, you can see a trail that takes you up that way. But I don't think that's like a proper groomed, maintained trail like what I'm on. But that looks like the creek area. So that would be the trail I would take up to get up, I think. Now that, you think, is what we have to get on top of, but that's not the true story. What's this guy here? Oh, yeah, there's multiple trails here. I'm just going to scout upward a bit. The awful truth of the matter is this could just be an animal trail. But no, this is too well groomed. This is in the direction you want to go. Here's the mountain we were supposed to go up, but offshoot road was a dead end. So I'm gonna climb to the top of this guy, have a break, show you all the view, head back down, and then we'll be on our way out of here. And I'll call this a peak. Oh yeah, I'll take it. These beautiful blue guys here. See him there? I'm just going to give him some space. Look at him wag his head like that. Now, I don't think that is a rattlesnake or anything like that. He's got kind of a pattern to him. A black and kind of reddish pattern, sort of. And there he goes. Probably. Okay, well, this trail is pretty much done. We're gonna head straight back, drink a lot of water, and go from there. So, I'm not sure exactly what the distance is or anything like that. Probably not too bad. But we definitely got a couple of 100 meters elevation gain. Alright, well, I'll catch you on the next one.